first of all, I want to give you a little clarity on what goes down on my channel. So basically, I give tips, tricks, secrets on success and who you really are as a person. I mean, when it comes to spirituality, when it comes to materialization, I take both of those and I bring them into balance so that you guys can understand who you are and that I can understand who I am in the process as well. This is a family thing. This is a team thing. We all work together. We work in cooperation, and the goal is to experience true happiness. Is to experience a life that you actually want to live. So without further ado, the message that I want to get into today is sacrifice. So basically what I do is I just go on messages and then I kind of freeball it. So the first thing that I want to do is talk about sacrifice. Like, first of all, sacrifice is gonna come, okay? You're gonna need to sacrifice something, okay? And you need to expect sacrifice to show up at your door if what you want to do is really be successful. And what is success? First of all, let me break down what success is. Success is doing what you truly want to do, what you truly feel good doing. It's something that you could do and not feel burnt out doing. It's something that you can do and know that you're doing the right thing. That's what success is, and it's feeling happy while you do that, okay? Even when the external world is telling you, oh, like, this is a shitty situation, oh, it's about to rain on you, oh, you know, you're going through this situation, you're going through a relationship, you feel like shit. When it comes to your own truth and your success, there is nothing that should be able to separate you from that. That's how you know that you're moving in a direction that is meant for you. Like, nothing's gonna separate you. So the goal is I want to show you guys, I want to teach you guys how to experience a successful life, a life of abundance, happiness, love, peace, power, purpose, pleasure, all those things. And as I said, one of the main things that you're going to go through is sacrifice, okay? So what is it that you are willing to let go of? What is it, what is it are you willing to sacrifice? Because there is going to be those things that you hold very dearly to yourself, and you may think with all of your intention that you need that to be who you are. You need this to feel good about yourself. But what I'm here to tell you, and what I want you to expect if you're serious about this, once again, this message may not be for everybody. You know, we all have different levels in our life path. Okay, some people are ready to be successful. They're like sponges. They're like, hey, teach me, I'm ready, let's learn. Some people don't want that yet, and it takes them a little more time, that's fine. But if you're ready, I want you to know what to expect when sacrifice knocks on that door. Because there is certain things, and we all, this is not just you, this is not just that next person, this is everybody. There's all things that we need to let go, or be okay with letting go, because there's a lot of lessons that you can learn within sacrifice. It doesn't necessarily mean that you have to sacrifice your loved ones, your family, right? Like the most cherished items that you have. It could mean that though. It could, maybe you have a situation in your life where your loved ones aren't serving you. Maybe they're draining you. Maybe you don't know how to be yourself around them, and that could be stopping you from experiencing your truest life. That's just a thought, maybe. Or maybe you're attached to something external and you don't know how to process that. You don't know what that really means, okay? You don't know, like, shit, like, if I didn't have this job or if I didn't have this car, who the fuck am I? You know, and those are the main things that you need to learn to be able to let go of when it comes to sacrifice. But the biggest picture from sacrifice is the muscle that you're building when you go through sacrifice, because sacrifice comes for a reason, and that reason that it comes for is to strengthen the muscle of being able to let go of things. Okay, so you will go through a phase of like, damn, like I'm losing everything that meant so much to me, just to teach you. It's your own higher self that's teaching you this, just to teach you that, you know, this meant so much to me, but I just let that go. Like, holy shit, I'm still here, I'm still alive, and it could also test you, are you still gonna do what you're here to do? Are you still...
A prime example of what you did in your life that you sacrificed to get to where you are.
Oh my God, I mean, there's so many things that I've sacrificed to get where I'm at now. Like, I can't even, if I was to sit here and talk, we wouldn't have enough time in the video.
Yes.
How much time do we have?
We have, there's 4 minutes left.
4 minutes left, okay. So the main things that I've sacrificed.
Just one specific.
One specific? Okay.
You're talking general, that's good.
Yeah.
Just give me to somebody can relate to.
Yeah.
You know, that's something that I had to do for me. It gives you someone like
Okay, so the main thing that I had to sacrifice that is very relatable is I had to let go of my closest social circle. Okay, I had to let go of my friends. I had to let go of the people that literally meant the most to me. And not saying that I don't have them in my life anymore, but there was a period of time where we were in a social circle, and within that social circle, you have to understand that that's now your new perception. When you get involved in a social circle, there's something very magical taking place. You're exchanging energy, you're pinging off energies, and I felt for my own purpose, my own power, which was needed to be done. It was necessary. I needed to remove myself from that social circle and create my own circle, okay? And by changing the vibration, by changing that frequency from what I was then to what I am now, there is a few friends that I still have from that old social circle that respect, and they still love me to death, and they respect the fact that I did that. They respect the fact that I took off and I did my own thing, and I went up and I went up and I went up, and that's what's happening. It's an upward spiral. But if I had chose to not take that step to remove myself from that social circle, I wouldn't be here right now. You wouldn't be hearing this message right now. I would still be with them. And I'm not gonna sugarcoat shit. That's not good. That's not good. You do not want to do that. It's not good for your soul. It's not good for your energy body. It's not good for you if you want to achieve what you came here to achieve. You've got to learn how to move on. But once again, as I said, does that mean I'm not friends with them anymore? The ones that meant the most to me stayed in touch with me. The ones that I found out were my truest friends out of that social circle still contact me today, and they check in. They say, hey Jer, how you doing? I do the same with them. You know, I'll check in. All those things. And we can still hang out whenever. But now the point is, I'm living the life that I'm supposed to be living. And that's like the main thing out of that whole situation. So that's sacrifice, guys. That's what you need to expect when you're gonna try and become successful. Every successful person has been through this. So I want you to be prepared and just look at it from the perspective of you're building that muscle, because it's making you stronger. Everything you learn how to let go and detach from. Just appreciate the shit that happens. If it's something that happens to you and you don't feel good about it, that's fine. Don't feel good about that shit, but appreciate that it happened. So now that you have an opportunity to transmute that shitty energy, if you will, okay, into something more powerful. Other than that, that's gonna wrap the video up. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe and hit the notification bell, because I'm posting videos every single day. Love you guys. Universal Mastery. Peace.